Have you ever heard about something like this? In Florida, there was a real incident where a man touched a broken electrical wire in his yard after a storm. The wire looked completely normal, no sparks, no noise, no warning signs at all. But it was still live, and within seconds, he was seriously electrocuted and rushed to the hospital. Fixing this is actually very simple. I know how to deal with it, so you don't need to worry anymore. You can rest assured. I'll reconnect the wire the proper way, taking it slowly and step by step, so even beginners can clearly understand the process. To avoid cutting too much or making a mistake, I'll use a correction pen to mark the wire before cutting. To connect the cores of the two electrical wires together, we'll use the soldering method. In this process, flux plays a critical role. It helps the solder flow smoothly, bond properly to the wire, and create a clean, reliable joint. Without flux, the solder joint can turn dull, brittle, and unreliable over time. This is a heat shrink tube. Use to cover and protect the wire joint after soldering. When heat is applied, the tube shrinks tightly around the joint, providing better insulation, moisture protection, and a cleaner, safer finish over time. In my hand, I have a roll of thread, which I'll use to replace the missing section of the outer insulation. This thread may look simple, but it plays an important role. It helps secure and cover the exposed area, keeping the outer protection stable before final finishing, resulting in a neater and safer wire. Of course, using thread alone isn't enough. That's why I'll apply liquid glue to soak into the thread, making it stronger, more durable, and helping it bond better to the wire. Alright, this power core with the plug is now fully finished. Now, let's take a look together and see how effective this little trick really is. We've successfully done it. By following the proper steps and working carefully, even a damaged wire can be made safe again.